This is the baby of the dove. It is now homeless. It's on the land. I'm gonna take this one and I will rescue to that. After taking home, I collect the little bit rice and I will feed to this bird. It is very sick now. I'm gonna feed to this. The bird very much hungry now. Hey, hey, say hi, say hi, hi, again, say hi, okay, thank you. Hey baby, can you love me? Can you love me? Love me, okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, 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 okay. Uh, do not love too much, okay? Okay. Kiss here, kiss me here, kiss me, okay, kiss me here, kiss me, kiss me. Okay, thank you. Mm, mm, mm. Thank you. Hi, baby. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. Hi. Can you love me? Yes. Can you kiss me? Can you kiss me? Yes. Kiss. Kiss. Okay. 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 Mm. Okay. No, 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 no. Here. Okay. Here. Okay. Kiss me. Okay. Kiss me. Okay. Mm. Again. Mm. Kiss me here. Okay. Thank you.